All right, guys, go ahead and grab your paper, your Capri Sun paper, and you're going to cut all four sides. When you print out your Capri Sun paper, just go ahead and print it out on four because it saves paper. But however, I just did it on one sheet because I was in a rush to cut out all of these out. Make sure you cut out as close as possible to the end of your paper, and make sure that you are being very precise in your cutting because it makes it neat, clean on your Capri Suns. Next, you will go ahead and grab your double stick tape. You can get it from any type of Office Depot, Walmart, Target, any type of office supply store. Make sure you don't go to the dollar store because one, their tape doesn't stick. It doesn't stick properly, and then the treats will pop open. I had that before, and I had to just go back to the thing that I knew it was that double stick tape brand. So when you put the double stick tape on both sides, do it only on both sides just because it saves you a lot of tape, and you can use it for more Capri Suns. I usually don't put the tape on the top just because the kids, they like to put the Capri Sun straw in the top of the straw, and it makes it easier for the kids. A lot of people like to do the holes, but this instance, we're going to go ahead and do the open. Go ahead and grab your Capri Sun, take the straw. It's in plastic, so take your straw off the front. You're going to put it on the back of your Capri Sun. Make sure you put one small stick of double stick tape on the back to secure it. And we're going to go ahead and turn it around, uncrinkle the sides. Make sure we line up the label on the top of the Capri Sun, the blue part. And we're going to stick it to the silver. So the silver part should have the edging of your Capri Sun label. We're going to go ahead and secure that. Push it around in the front to make sure it's tight on there. Once you stick it and make sure it's tight on there, you're going to stick both sides, and the top is going to remain open. However, there's going to be some excess on the side, and you can just simply cut that off with the scissors, and it's still going to be neat. I will usually cut it off. You don't want to make your labeling look very tacky. So cut it off. And then once you cut it off, just make sure all four sides are secure and it stands up. Once it stands up, you see how that gap is in the top? That is easy for the kids can stick their Capri Suns in the Capri Sun without messing it up. So there you go. You have a complete Capri Sun and it's ready for your dessert table. Stick the straw in the top and you are ready.